El Niño. What is El Niño? El Niño, a natural phenomenon that's been shaping our world for centuries. But what exactly is it? And how does it impact our planet? El Niño is part of a complex climate pattern known as the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO for short. Normally, trade winds blow from east to west across the Pacific, pushing warm surface waters toward Asia. But during an El Niño event, these winds weaken, allowing warm water to slosh back toward the east. This shift in ocean temperatures can trigger a cascade of effects around the world. From severe droughts in Australia and India to torrential rains and flooding in South America. And even disruptions in marine life and ecosystems. But El Niño isn't just about extreme weather. It can also impact economies, agriculture, and public health. Scientists around the world are working to better understand El Niño and its long-term impacts. By studying historical records, collecting data from satellites, and running sophisticated computer models, they're gaining new insights into this complex phenomenon. Ultimately, understanding El Niño is crucial for building resilience to its effects and adapting to a changing climate. Because when it comes to El Niño and its impacts, knowledge is power,